How's it? I'm going to show you how to make invisible glow-in-the-dark slime in under 2 minutes. How's it? Before we start, these are the items you'll need. Elmer's clear glue, borax, glow powder, and some water. Start off by adding a 1/4 cup of glue. Okay, so what you want to do is add some water to your glue. And then you want to mix it. Make sure you mix it very well. And then you want to take your glow pigment powder and add it in here. Maybe about a teaspoon or so. And you want to make sure this dissolves very well. A teaspoon of borax, and you can put it in a cup of warm water, and the warm water will help dissolve it. And you want to take some dissolved borax, and you want to start off with just a little bit, and then you stir. And you keep mixing, and you'll see your slime getting like this. If you don't have the right consistency, then you want to add a little bit more borax. And keep on mixing. Mix, mix, mix! Look at that! Mixed it up! So this is what it looks like after a few minutes of mixing. And if you have any excess water in your cup, then you can just take the slime out and then drain the water out. And then let your slime set a little bit. And then you can grab all your slime and let it rest. Let it breathe some air. I really had a lot of fun making this slime. I hope you do too. If you're looking for more how-to videos, check out this playlist over here. If you're looking for a good blacklight for your bedroom, click this one up here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mahalo!